All right, it's really early in the morning and I'm at the train station. I'm off to London for the grand opening of the London DJI Hasselblad store. Right, I made it to London, guys. Just got out of Piccadilly Circus Underground, so now we're on Regent Street, so it's down here somewhere. I've got like 55 minutes to kill, and I'll be quite honest, priority is finding a toilet right now. Oh, I've got coffee though. Pretty excited to see what DJI has to offer. I mean, maybe we'll hear about some new products. Getting heaving in here, it's pretty awesome. Look at this. Got the opportunity to try out anything, really. Quite overwhelmed. Just been able to look at the Action 4. Very tempted by that, I've been for a while.